Okay guys, welcome to Astro Tech GH. Are you in a situation where you want to log into your social media application or any application on your device but you don't remember its password? This video is for you. In this video, I'm coming to show you how to recover all your social media passwords with these simple steps. Open your Google Chrome browser. After opening your Google Chrome browser, in the search bar, type in Google Password Manager. Type in Google Password Manager in the search bar, then hit on search. After hitting on search, it will bring you here. Just type on the first link at the top. After typing on it, it will bring you all the apps that are available on your device. Just type on the one you want to view its password. So example, I will choose Facebook. After typing on Facebook, it will load. So it is asking us to use our password to confirm. So I will type on continue. Use screen lock. Okay, let's wait small. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, this is my password here, and this is the number that I used to register my Facebook account. To view your password, just type on this I button here. Type on it to view the password you used to create your Facebook account. It is simple as that. You can use it on any app that you see it here. So that is how to recover all your social media passwords. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video.